Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shout Out Sunday. Today I have two pretty cool channels lined up for you guys, so let's move along and see who we've got first. First up we have Super Sorrel. I first came across him while waiting for my elusive My Geek Box Father's Day special, which I think was fair to say neither of us were impressed with it. It is a mix of unboxings, toy reviews, which often feature Mrs. Super Sorrel, and they're currently doing a series showing the construction of the Lego Disney Castle, so be sure to check that one out too. So that's a quick look at Super Sorrel's channel. It's pretty cool. He's got quite a cool personality to him, a little bit crazy, a little bit wacky, pretty funny. I enjoy his content, and yeah, so go check him out and see what you think of him. See who's next.
Mr. So lazy, Mrs. so crazy, it's time to shake your geeks.
This pair of Quality Entertainment. I'm not sure how I came across them. I think they subbed to me and I subbed to them, and it went from there. They do unboxings of various blocks. They do quite a few live gameplay features where both of them are playing together. They do challenges. Part of the challenge that they did recently, I sent them a pack of Korean fire noodles and they challenged me back to do 2 habanero chilies. So stay tuned for more cross-channel challenges. So that's Shaky Geek. Go check them out. They are a funny couple together. Especially when they tend to speed up the videos and you get like a little chipmunky sound. And then you get Mr. Lazy in the background singing to Mrs. Lazy, Mrs. Crazy. So yeah, go check them out and see what you think of them. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to feature in an upcoming one, then just leave me a comment below and say, can I have a shout out? I'll check out some of your videos and we'll put together a little feature like I've done for the previous two. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Cheers now.